Hi everyone, I'm Zach with ERGO Styling Tools. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly clean your brushes, some best practices, and even some pro tips. This applies for all professional grade brushes, but especially your ERGO Styling Tools brushes. Keeping your brushes clean is essential for protecting your tools, protecting your client's hair, and honestly, making everything perform better. All ERGO brushes are professional grade brushes and are meant to be fully disinfected and sanitized inside and outside of the salon. So let's start with some do's and don'ts, best practices. Do, at home, you should be cleaning your brush after every few blowouts or whenever you begin to see product buildup. A dirty brush means you're putting old product, oil, and debris right back on freshly washed hair. This defeats the purpose of a great blowout completely. At the salon, you should be cleaning your brush after every single use. No questions asked. Do not use any abrasive material to remove hair from your brush. This means no metal rakes, combs, or even using other brushes to get the hair off. This can damage the ceramic on the barrel of your brush, which is crucial to the way your brush performs. Use a damp towel to remove hair from the brush always. Do not just spray your brush with alcohol. This does not fully disinfect your brush inside and out. Submerge your brush in warm soapy water to remove buildup. Let it sit, rinse, and towel dry. In the salon, after washing, you can submerge your brush in a disinfectant like Barbicide or any salon grade solution that you have. Pro tip, if your brush has a lot of hair on it, you can use your blow dryer to warm up your brush for about 30 seconds to a minute. This will soften the bristles and make it much easier for the hair to be released. Then take your damp towel, pinch and pull and rotate as you go up to remove the hair. Your towel being damp is key. If your brush has excessive buildup and it can't be removed with just a towel, we'd recommend using something like a soft bristle brush, like a nail brush. This can help remove the debris and the buildup without damaging the ceramic coating after soaking. Remember, take care of your brushes and your brushes will take care of your hair. Now I'm gonna walk you through a full cleaning process from start to finish. Start with a brush that's been used. It has product in it, hair, buildup, whatever it may be. Step 1, grab your blow dryer. Step 2, warm up your bristles. Step 3, grab your damp towel and begin to pinch and pull. My towel is not damp, so I'm gonna get a little wet. Open it up, pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. You can even Got it. Step 4, take your hairless brush and submerge it in warm soapy water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 5, rinse off your brush. And I'm gonna go do that right now. Step 6, get a fresh towel and towel dry the remaining moisture off of your brush. Pro tip, to get it fully dry before using it again, you can even pick up your blow dryer and use this to get rid of the rest of the moisture. Now our brush is fresh and clean and ready to make a beautiful bouncy blow dry. If you're in the salon, before rinsing, this is when you'd move to your disinfectant step before drying. Follow the proper instruction and recommendations of your chosen disinfectant to ensure that you're following health and safety standards in accordance with your state board guidelines. Now you know how to keep your brush fresh and clean to serve bouncy blow dries day and night, whether you're in the salon or at home. Clean brushes perform better, last longer, and protect the integrity of your hair. Now, if you have any questions at all on how to clean your round brushes, be sure to leave them in the comments below so we can be happy to help you out. Now, if you have a paddle brush as well and you want to learn how to clean that, go over and check out our YouTube video on how I made this dirty paddle brush look brand new.